You know, if you're like me, you look how long a video is before you decide to watch it. So firstly, I appreciate you putting the time aside, so I'll be as quick as I can. Coming up shortly is resolving the money riddle, and we're really excited to be spending that 3 days with you. And we thought, you know, we can multiply the effect of that workshop if you're prepared to do a bit of preparation work beforehand. Like anything, the more prepared you are, then the better itself will go. So your investment's already there. Now, there's the time, of course. 3 days is another investment. How do we multiply that? Well, here's an exercise that you can do at home by yourself. Doesn't matter whether you're having a glass of red or not. So, number one, grab yourself a blank piece of paper and jot down all of your habits with, say, food. So, for example, do you always eat the best bit first, the best bit last? Do you eat fast? Do you eat slow? Is there always some left over? Do you eat everything that's on the plate? You know the sort of thing that I mean. And you can just spend a few minutes on that whilst you're doing something else. So you don't need rocket-powered concentration to be able to make that list. Number two, grab another blank piece of paper and make another list. This time, your habits with time. So that might be always late, always early, never late, never early. Jobs take up as much time as you've got available. There's never enough time. There's always enough time. Whatever your habits with food are, with time, just jot those things down so you've got two lists. Number three, grab a blank piece of paper and make another list, and this is the third and final list, and this is your habits with money. So, always running out, never enough, always some left over, I get to save regularly, I get to invest, I never get to save, I never get to invest. Whatever your habits with money are, you know, spend it all, always have some left over, whatever, jot down your habits with money. Okay, so now have a look at your three lists, and what you'll see is that there's some degree of comparison. So what I'm going to suggest to you is that what we need to work on when you get to the workshop is what's at the bottom, let me just remove one finger, 3 programs. Food, time and money. What's at the bottom driving the whole lot? If you're getting a similar result, perhaps it's something deeper that's driving that, and I'd love you to know what those things are so that we can work on them when you get to the workshop, which, like I said, is just around the corner. I'm looking forward to working with you. Bye-bye.